Hello guys, today we're going to be reading Mia's Mermaid Wish. Let's see what her wish is. Mia splashed in the pool one sunny day. With goggles on tight, she kicked her cares away. She twirled and played like dolphin in flight, laughing in the warm sunlight. I wish I were a mermaid, Mia said with a grin, with a shiny tail and scales on my skin. She closed her eyes tight and made a big wish, while blowing a kiss to a nearby fish. The water shimmered, the breeze gave a spin, and something amazing was about to begin. Her legs felt tingly. Her feet disappeared. When she peeked underwater, she suddenly cheered. Hooray! A tail, sparkly and blue. Mia the Mermaid, her dream had come true. She flipped and she flopped, with a magical grace, exploring the pool like an ocean space. She swam past a turtle, she waved at a crab, she floated by seaweed, or was his dad's towel tab. She giggled, escaped as she danced in delight. Her mermaid dream was pure magic and light. Then Mom called out, "Snack time, my dear." Mia popped up with a joyful cheer. Her tail was gone, her legs were back, but she still felt magic in her magic snack. Now every time she plays in the pool, she remembers that day and feels super cool. For dreams can come true with a splash and a swish. Whoop! Just like the day of her mermaid wish. The end. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Bye!